Hi and welcome back to another how-to video by Teacher Ali. This how-to video is on how to complete and submit work. But first, let's open Google Classroom. And let's go into our class. Let's go to the Classwork tab, which is this one in the middle. You can see I have 5 different assignments. When I finish these, their icons will turn grey. This icon with a question mark means this is a question. Let's do this first. I have an option to pick out of. And the question is, how are you? The instructions are, please choose one option and submit. I am great. Now you click Turn In. This is very important. If you do not do this, you will get a 0 because your teacher will not get any work. And we're done. You can see it turned grey. It meant we're finished. Let's see another kind of work. What is your favorite color? It says, please tell me what your favorite color is and draw 3 things with that color. We have an attachment. This is something we need to open and complete. Please watch. Okay, now I'm done. Now we click Turn In. You can see this one's gone grey as well. Let's see a different kind of assignment. Submit a picture of your favorite animal. Please use Google to find a picture of your favorite animal, save it on your iPad and upload it here. Let's do this now. And there we go. Now we, remember, click Turn In. And that one's done. We go back. We've got 2 more. Let's see this one. Tell me about you. Please open the document and complete the assignment. Let's click this up arrow. Oh, here it is. So to open it, we just click on it. And with this one, because it's a document we can type on, we're going to click this box with an arrow, which is going to open it. And this. Now let's do this assignment. And now we are done. This one's a little different because it's a document. This one is just for me. That's why it has my name there. And I'm going to turn it in because I'm finished. We have one more to do. Let's open it. This one's called First Day Survey. Please open and complete this Google Forms so I can learn more about you. We have an attachment. Let's click it. Let's open it in Safari. Now watch me complete this. And at this point, you need to remember to click Submit. After you're done, you can go back to the classroom. You can either do this in the top left where it says Classroom with a little arrow, or you can go back, open Classroom again, and then you click up and you click Mark as Done. You do not need to do an attachment. This is why we had to click Submit before. Your teacher has now got your completed form. And look, we're all finished. We don't have any more work to do. Well, I hope this helped. Thank you for watching.